Well, right now, state and local leaders are in Raleigh working together to tackle violence and to make communities safer.
And it's part of the North Carolina Violence Prevention Conference. WCNC Charlotte's Jesse Pierre joining us live now with more on that conference. Jess?
Yes, violence is a pressing issue here in Charlotte and communities across North Carolina. To tackle this, around 200 people from various sectors, including some in Charlotte, gathered at that conference in Raleigh to work together, share knowledge, and expand on effective solutions.
In just a 24-hour span, 3 shootings reported in Charlotte, 2 of them turning deadly.
It impacts the direct family and then it impacts the schools, it impacts the teachers, it impacts everyone when someone is lost by gun violence.
It's that kind of violence state, local, and community leaders like Heal Charlotte founder Greg Jackson are trying to prevent.
We have some great success stories, but those success stories do not drown out the tragedies that are happening right now in all of the cities around North Carolina.
The first North Carolina Violence Prevention Conference taking place in Raleigh Wednesday, bringing people from the public health sector, community-based organizations, law enforcement advocacy groups united with a mission to reduce violence.
It was good to hear about some of the resources that are available and all of the other work that's happening around the city and the state.
From discussing intervention and prevention efforts, to increasing collaboration, to building a community violence prevention ecosystem.
We know that not one entity has the ability to reduce this problem of violence that's plaguing North Carolina and the country on its own. It takes a collaborative effort. And so we're looking at how we bring multiple sectors together to address all of the issues that are impacting violence.
Another important part of creating that ecosystem is just ensuring that we're all using the same language and understand the shared goal that we're all working towards so that there's overlap in our coordination and our collaboration.
Now, during the conference, leaders also talked about how to sustain this work, funding sources, and connecting folks with resources that have real impact in their communities. Live in West Charlotte, Jesse Pierre, WCNC Charlotte.
All right, Jesse, thank you for that report.